Good morning, my little rhymers. If you could all join me on the carpet and sit crisscross applesauce with bubbles in your mouth. Good job, Stephanie. I like the way you're sitting. Johnny, eyes on me, please. Today, we will be grouping 3-letter rhyming words into their word families. Yesterday, we learned about rhyming and word families. Could someone please tell me what it means to rhyme? Erin, do you know what it means? Close, but it's not just when the words sound the same. They need to have the same ending. Can anyone identify 2 other words that rhyme? Great job, Hillary. Cat and bat do rhyme. Let's think of another word that with the at ending. Kitten doesn't sound quite right. We are looking for words that end with at, not an animal similar to cat. How about during nap time, we lay on our mat. Sat. Good thinking. We already said cat. Let's try another one. During the winter, we put on it goes on our head, but we wear a hat. You guys got it. What about bat and bag? Not exactly. Remember, they need to have the same ending, not the same first letter. A word family has the same ending, such as at or ag. Before we start our story, let's do one more example. Ag. I'll give you a hint. Rag. That's a good one. Tap. Let's hear it out. Tap. Tag. I hear the same beginning sound, not the same ending sound. Remember, we are listening for the ag ending. Bag is another good one. Finish this phrase for me. Zig. Zag. Nice job, rhymers. Rag, tag, bag, and zag. Now we are going to be exploring more rhyming by reading the story Hop on Pop by Dr. Seuss. Dr. Seuss is a famous author who also wrote The Cat in the Hat. Whoa! Didn't we already figure out that those words rhyme also? All of his books had fun rhyming words, so listen up for them. Hop on Pop by Dr. Seuss. Up, pup. Pup is up. Cup, pup. Pup in cup. Pup, cup. Cup on pup. Are we hearing our rhyming words? What's the last sound? You're right. Up. Sad, dad, bad, had. Dad is sad, very, very sad. He had a bad day. What a day Dad had. Can you think of any other words that might rhyme with those? You're right. What about bad? Good job. Great job thinking of the word bad, but the book already has that in it. Let's try and think of another one. What about mad? Do you hear the rhyme there? Mad, bad, dad. Great job. There was a lot of great rhyming in that book. Let's look at another new word family. A-Y. A. Let's think about a word that rhymes. I can think by going through the letters of the alphabet. The letter S. Do say and a rhyme? Great job. Excuse me, Billy. You're starting to act silly. Whoa! Did anyone else just catch that? Did you hear my rhyme? Yeah, Billy and silly do rhyme. I'm so glad that your listening ears are turned on. Once we leave the rug, you will find a rhyming worksheet at your desk. So please stand up and walk over so we can review the worksheet together. After you sit down, put your thumb in the air to show me you are ready. Touch the first picture. What do you see? It's a bar, like a bar of gold or a bar of chocolate. Check on your neighbor. Are they touching the same picture as you? Great. Under it, now what do we see? Almost, Sammy. He is drinking, but the word I am looking for is sip. Next is pay. Under that is hug. And next is fun. On the top right side, we see hay, mug, sun, jar, and lip. Let's do the first one together. Bar. Do b-r and a rhyme? Michael? Right, they do not. What about bar and jar? Correct. Bar and jar do rhyme. Now you are going to continue the worksheet independently. I'm going to walk around to check in on you, and we will go over it together in 10 minutes. If you need help, raise your hand or ask a friend next to you. I will begin the timer now. Okay, time is up. Touch your head if you are ready to review your work. Great. So the next picture you should have matched was sip. Matthew, what did you match? Right. Sip and lip are a rhyming pair. Next was pay. Kyle, what was your answer? Awesome. Pay and hay are another rhyming pair. After that is hug. Beth? Great job. Hug and mug go together. Last was fun. Katie, what would you have as your last rhyming pair? You got it. Fun and sun rhyme. This concludes our lesson on rhyming. Who can raise their hand and tell me again, what is a rhyming pair? Mark? Good. It's words that sound the same and have the same ending. Great work, class. Hold your worksheet in the air and our paper collector will come around to collect it for me. In your folders, you will find a similar worksheet for homework I would like you to complete and bring back tomorrow. Now we can all stand up, go back to the carpet, and we are going to watch a video on rhyming. I want to hear all of you participating.
I love to rhyme, you love to rhyme. Let's rhyme together and have a good time. I'll say 2 words that rhyme, and you help me out. think of a third word that rhymes with mine and say it right out loud. Cat, sat,
Bat,
Hat.
dog, log,
fog,
Mog.
big, wig,
sig,
Zig.
ham, Sam,
Bam.
can, fan,
Van.
met, pet.
wet,
Set.
I love to rhyme, you love to rhyme. Let's rhyme together and have a good time. Tot, got,
robot,
mug, tug,
Slug.
tap, map,
rat,
rub, scrub,
Tub.
sip, dip,
Flip.
hut, rut.
Mutt.
I love to rhyme,
You love to rhyme. Let's rhyme together and have a good time.
Fed, fed,
Head.
bit, fit,
Mitt.
dad, glad,
bad,
fun, run,
Hun.
bag, tag,
rag,
shop, drop.
mop,
I
Love to rhyme. You love to rhyme. Let's rhyme together and have a good time. I love to rhyme. You love to rhyme. Let's rhyme together and have a good time.
Let's
rhyme. Good job, guys.